I gave you my heart.
Welcome to Million Dollar Cafe. It is another session on how to master the most important skill, attitude. If you don't see any of my previous videos on how to develop a positive attitude, just click on the card above. It will be very important to learn to build your perfect attitude. Just click link in the description or click a card above to watch it. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to it and click the bell icon to get notified for more awesome contents. Realization of a failure. Our attitude determines how we see our life setbacks, whether in a positive way or negative way. How do you look at it? Pause the video and just think about it and get your own answers. First thing, when you see your failure in a positive way, you give meaning to your setbacks and think of them as stepping stones to success. Try to correct your mistakes and move on further. If you think it in a negative way, you can't take any further actions towards your goal. It seems to be a blocked road. You feel disappointed and unhappy. Therefore, it's all about how we look at it, how we look the problem. Realizing this question is very important and leave a comment below where you are standing now and how far is your goal from you. When journalists ask the great leaders and achievers about their setbacks and failures, they all tell the same thing. That is, we see each setback as an opportunity and every problem comes with great opportunities. They all believe this and you can also. This is why only few people achieve their goals while others can't. Life is full of opportunities. Next time when you face any problems, don't worry. See it from a different angle than the normal ones. Your life doesn't change in just overnight. Do you want to change your life? Sure. Then you must change your perception about your life. You see, great leaders and achievers are very unique in their own way. Because whatever they may see, find an opportunity which leads them to reach their goal. This perception, this attitude makes them different and unique. One more thing about great people is their connection, is their network. They make contacts with those people who have a positive attitude. You may think that richest people have more money, properties, and lands as their assets. That's wrong. Their valuable assets are humans, employees. They choose the right people to work for. Quality of people is very important in life. That may be a social life or work life or in a family life. The big organizations are judged by their feelings, attitude, relationships among them, among the employees, not by their wages or working conditions or infrastructure of the company. Attitude is the foundation for everything. How a great building needs a strong foundation. You must need a strong foundation of attitude to achieve a great things. Then it cannot be destroyed by any cyclones or any catastrophic incidents. Our attitude is changed by circumstances, by our surroundings, by our culture we live in, our education and also our experiences in life. These are the things that change the attitude in the long term. So we need to be aware of our environment, whether it affects us or not. We must answer these questions as a part of our learning what attitude is. I wish you to get the answers as soon as possible. It helps in developing your attitude furthermore. Positive attitude people have some characteristics to recognize them. They are very energetic in all places and also energize everyone. They are caring, humble, more confident, and the most important thing, they are very patient. These are only a few characteristics about them. Simply said that they are like chocolates liked by everyone. They inspire everyone by their attitude. Also, we need to know about the negative people's characteristics too. They see everything in a negative mode. There is no hope in them. Always sad, worried about their life and complaining others for their own mistakes, they create an unhealthy environment with their hopeless thoughts. This is the right time to choose their lives to be a happier life than everyone. They need to understand it, otherwise, they will be restricted by their own thoughts. I just want everyone to lead a positive and happy and wealthier life forever. Let's all make it happen. Build a positive and lead a beautiful life.